Hi, it's Karen at Nebraska Quilt Company in Fremont, Nebraska, and I wanted to invite you to our Handi Quilter Discovery event that we are holding in Kearney. Yes, our store is in Fremont, Nebraska, but this event is in Kearney, Nebraska. It will be at the Holiday Inn on October 9th, 10th, and 11th. That is a Monday, Tuesday, and a Wednesday. It's a 3-day event where you will get to learn all about the machine, how the machine works, how to do free motion, how to do ruler work, how to do pantographs, or how to do the robotics in the computer system. Lunch will be provided every day, lots of snacks and drinks. So it's at the Holiday Inn in Kearney. And if you need further information, you can go to our Nebraska Quilt Company website or click the link below that's with this video. This is for people that don't own machines, or it is for people that do own machines. Maybe you've had your Handi Quilter for a limited amount of time and you're just not still sure of all the wonderful things that it has to offer for you. We would love to see you, and we look forward to seeing you real soon.